How to unlink Monopoly Go from Facebook. If you're looking for a way to unlink the Monopoly Go game from your Facebook account, then here's how you can do it. First, launch open Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're logged in as well. After you are logged in, tap on the menu bar at the top right-hand corner from the main home page, and in the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Now, tap on the Connect Account button in green popping up at the bottom. Right where you can see the Facebook logo, click Disconnect. In the confirmation pop-up, click Disconnect one more time, and you'll be able to unlink the Monopoly Go game from your Facebook account. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video like this. Goodbye till then.